When it comes to hemorrhoids, you would want a home medicine that could help you soothe the pain. Besides, it would be good to have something that could give sufficient treatments to the affected area as well. The patchouli oil has antiseptic and antimicrobial effects, plus it is a natural disinfectant. More importantly, patchouli also has a strong anti-inflammatory property which makes this home medicine just the perfect one for hemorrhoids. Patchouli oil is rich in phytochemical eugenol and pinene as well. The essential oil also contains various sesquiterpenes. Because of its contents, patchouli essential oil has various useful properties that could be a great help for treating hemorrhoids. Needless to say, this home medicine is one of the best you can find with all the benefits you can possibly get from a natural medication. There are also some rare cases of ruptured hemorrhoids. This essential oil could stimulate the healing process to induce a faster growth of reparative tissues. If you want stronger healing properties, it is also possible to combine this natural medication ingredient with other essential oils. How to use patchouli oil for hemorrhoids? Just the same with the other essential oils, the most effective method to use patchouli oil for hemorrhoids would be by direct contact. It means that the medication must be applied directly on the skin. It would be better if you could apply some pressure on the affected and applied area. Doing such treatment could help the skin to absorb the oil better, hence improving its effectiveness for your condition. To put it simply, you could just apply a few drops of the essential oil onto the affected area. It is best done with a sterilized hand for more hygiene and safety precautions. Then gently massage the oil onto the swollen area, usually around the rim of the anus. Be careful not to scratch any part of the swollen area. It is because the swollen area has thinner skin than the other. If you apply too much pressure, it could cause a rupture which will only make your condition worse. In case of rupture, you can use the mixture of a few drops of patchouli oil and a tablespoon of sweet almond oil. You can apply the mixture onto the swollen and ruptured area once per day. In this case, patchouli oil promotes the growth of reparative tissues and enhances the speed of the healing process. Benefits of patchouli for hemorrhoids as mentioned above. You can expect patchouli to have so many benefits for hemorrhoids treatment. The most important is the anti-inflammatory property. Practically speaking, hemorrhoids is a condition when your vein around your anus becomes inflamed. Using patchouli oil could help to lessen the disturbing pain while treating the swollen area. Using patchouli for your treatment, you would be able to return the swollen veins into its original size. Of course, it would need some time before you could get such an effect. However, it is surely that slowly the swollen veins are being reverted back because of the anti-inflammatory effect. You could also feel the progress while passing the stool. The sharp pain you usually feel would slowly dissipate as you use the medication regularly. Treating hemorrhoids needs intensive hygiene all the time, and you can also find this property in this home medicine. Patchouli has this antimicrobial, antiseptic and antibacterial effect, which also gives you assurance that your inflamed area would not get infected. It gets extremely useful when you have a case of ruptured hemorrhoids. The area around the anus is very vulnerable to get infected, moreover if you are having this condition. Using the patchouli's sterilization properties plus the boost for healing effects, you would recover in no time. Side effects of patchouli. Commonly, each medication would have their own side effects. Depending on the patient's condition, it could be a great help or even worsen the condition. That is why most people would first question the side effects of each medication before using them on their own body. As a natural ingredient, there would be almost nothing you can worry about from taking natural remedies. However, in case of using essential oils, there might be some rare cases. There could be people who develop allergies to a certain group of plants or the substances within. In this case, people with a very sensitive skin or allergies to a certain substance should do a simple test before using patchouli. If they truly develop skin allergy to the plant, exposing the swollen area to the substance could be fatal. Nevertheless, this is a really rare case and there are almost no lethal side effects if treated immediately. If you have quite sensitive skin, you could try diluting the patchouli oil before applying onto your skin. This would prevent the worst case if you develop an allergy to this substance. The other thing you should take precaution is that the patchouli could disrupt the blood clotting process. If in any case you are planning on a treatment which involves consuming patchouli oil, you should take precautions if you have a certain condition. This involves taking blood thinner medications because of some health condition. People who suffer from hemophilia are also encouraged to consult a medical professional before taking patchouli medications. Hemorrhoids and home remedy. Patchouli hemorrhoids could be a very troublesome condition, and it could only get worse if you just leave it alone. People who spend most of their office hours while sitting often catch this condition. It could be said that this condition is quite a common problem for people after reaching a certain age range. Nevertheless, it is inevitable, moreover if you have a bad diet choice. However, there have been discoveries about home remedies that could lessen the symptoms and even cure this disturbing condition. You must have been hearing that patchouli oil could somehow be quite effective to treat hemorrhoids. For more info, please visit healmyhemorrhoids.com.